Investigation 2.2 in comparing and scaling. What we have is the camp dining room hall has two kinds of tables. A large table that seats 10 people and a small table that seats 8 people. So this is my large and this one is my small. All right. On pizza night, the students serving dinner put 4 pizzas on each large table and 3 pizzas on each small table. And you can see that from the drawing. So, question A asks, suppose the pizzas are shared equally by everyone at the table. Does a person sitting at a small table get the same amount as a person sitting at a large table? All right, so what we can do is we can do this 2 ways. So the first way, we have 4 pizzas. And we have 10 people. And at the small table, we have 3 pizzas. And that's split between 8 people. All right, so what we're going to do is this. We are going to divide by 10 for the large table and divide by 8 for the small table. And what that's going to give us is 4 divided by 10 equals 0.4. And this becomes 1. And at the small table, we have 3 divided by 8, which equals 0.375, and the bottom number is 1. Okay, so that gives us our numbers. However, we need to understand what the numbers mean. So for the large table, what we basically did is we just divided by 10. We didn't divide by 10 people, we just divided by 10. So the 0.4 is the amount of pizza that I get, and the 1 is the number of people. So what actually happens is it actually says it's 0.4 or 4/10 of a pizza per person. Now, at the small table, it's 0.375 of a pizza per person or for one person. So as you can see, if I sit at the large table, I will get a little bit more. Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to do this the other way as well, where I want you to take the large table and you're going to put the 10 pizzas on the top and divide that by, oops, I just did that backwards, 10 people. Let me write that neater. Ten people, and divide that by the 4 pizzas. And at the small table, I want you to take the 8 people and divide that by the 3 pizzas. And what I want you to do is I want you to tell me what that is. So tell me what that number is, and then tell me what that number means. And see if it still turns out that you should sit at the large table. And we'll discuss that in class tomorrow.